Okay, we already finished all the important part of the generating set. Hope you already understand this beautiful generator set now. We already understand the basic information and we already know who is who. Let's have a quickly review of what we just talked about. This is a natural gas generating set. The power rating is 320 kilowatts. By the way, this rating is continuously power rating. That means when we running this generating set at 320 kilowatts, we can run this power continuously. For example, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, without any stop, unless necessary maintenance. This is very, very important knowledge of natural gas generating set. Because natural gas generating set usually used for long-term running. That means once we start this generating set, we don't stop. We will run this continuously. And this generating set, we already delivered to oil and gas field. Some oil and gas field are in remote area, really far away from city, without national grid. So this generating set can run in perfectly in that places. For example, in Inner Mongolia area. As you might know, in wintertime, the temperature of Inner Mongolia will be 40 degrees or even 45 degrees minor. It's super cold. The engine can be running perfectly there. This important feature for a qualified natural gas generator. We already have really positive feedback from customer, from oil field. Some generator already running for more than 7,000 hours without any problem, without any stop. This another helpful information for the customer who really care about the quality, care about the performance of a natural gas generating set. Hope the video today can give you more accurate information you might looking for. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please follow us for more information. Thank you very much.